Welcome! It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Shandong villagers are seen using bags up to 6 meters long. As of 2011, it has become a popular activity in some villages. Previous investigation indicates gas is sometimes stolen inside the container. Gas carriers have little understanding of the hazards which claim to be safe. China is an amazing country. On the one hand, tremendous success in everything in the world, and on the other, a rather difficult life for ordinary citizens. If you look in the provinces, you can find that a large number of people live in very harsh conditions without all the benefits of civilization. But here's what the Chinese can't borrow. It's creative. In order to somehow lighten their hard life, the inhabitants of the Middle Kingdom have long ago come up with a very interesting way. They do not quite legally connect to the main gas pipeline and pump ordinary natural gas into huge plastic bags. And then the fun begins. This makeshift balloon is placed on a bicycle or a small trolley attached to a moped and transported in violation of all conceivable safety regulations. Transportation of gas in packages is very dangerous because the risk of accidental leakage and fire is very high, and this fishing is illegal. So when transporting, you can not only arrange a fire show, but also get a fine. But enterprising businessmen for a fee supply their poor compatriots with such cylinders. This risk for local residents is justified by the fact that one such package of gas is enough for an average family for a whole week. If you are very interested in calculating how much such a balloon is enough for yourself, then this can be done here. The Chinese government is actively struggling with such illegal gas production from the pipe, but it is still far from the final victory. But ordinary provincial residents have no choice but to continue to transport their dangerous goods. Villagers in eastern China's Shandong province have reportedly resorted to storing natural gas in plastic bags. Recent images show intrepid residents from Dongying City's Lijian village carry the explosives in bags as long as 6 meters on rickshaws, the People's Daily Online reported. Worried passers-by compared this action to carrying a bomb on their backs, as any contact with a naked flame or even a cigarette might spell disaster. That reckless behavior was reported in Zibo City in Shandong as early as May 2011. It has spread to various parts of the province since. Netizens and media suggest this is a way to save transportation money for the locals. Some recommend that they simply steal petrol. An earlier undercover Anhui satellite TV station investigation reveals that villagers in Zibo have little awareness of the risks, saying it is safe. The news clip was recording villagers and even school pupils stealing gas from a big container on the roadside. Within minutes, their plastic bags were filled and they were taken off before anyone else came along to do the same. Villagers told the undercover reporter it's not risky to move gas this way. Within China, questions are now being raised as to why the authorities have not taken any steps after all these years to ban this practice.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.